you can see the time and date. And today, what Allah is doing, after I had submitted the course for the Udemy. Now today, Allah has brought a strong storm around. As you can see that there is so much, and this is also an evidence in relation to the obviously the course that I had created. You can see how much wind is going on here, and hear the sound. So let me show you the view of sky and how much wind is going on, how much storm is coming. See that is storm, thunderstorm in Lahore city of Pakistan. It's by the command of Allah, and you can see the sky has been striking with the lightning a little bit, and Allah knows better what He is going to do, a lot more or not, but this is just an evidence as well. So it's a, in this you can see how the situation changed in Lahore city within just 2 days. You will see the lightning when something will happen in the sky. So obviously it happens in all over the world. You know that nature works, and people say it happening naturally, but just think about it for a moment. How is it possible that in a hot season of Lahore city, in a hot season, suddenly from the day of Friday when I was recording the course, and then the weather started to transform from that day to until today. You can see how many things have been changed. So this is just an evidence. Oh my God. So Allah controls the weather. Definitely Allah is doing it in the through the winds, through the raining. You see that here? Look here. The raining drops. The rain drops. Okay, my light has been turned off of the mobile due to low battery. And whatever you have seen, it is also an evidence in relation to the control of Allah over nature. And definitely Allah is doing it. Let me now record the view of the sky. So you can see without the lightning, it will be a little bit clear now. I'm going to stop my speaking for a moment. So the Holy Mighty King of Universe, whose personal name is Allah, He is doing something today in Lahore city of Pakistan. See? And there you can see the tree of with the personal name of Allah, which is written Lillah. Let's see if lightning strikes, so you can see it in a little bit lightning as well, in a view of lightning strike. If it happens, let me wait a little bit. You see? Did you see? Okay. So definitely it is the tree of Allah, made and designed by Allah, created by Allah. And He is the creator, controller of the nature, system of the universe, The whole system of universe is under the command of Allah, under the control of Allah, the mighty holy king of universe. Entire universe works by the command of Allah, and He is the controller of nature. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.